Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of open source software development, the heartbeat of innovation in tech today. So, whether you're a seasoned developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about what open source actually means, stick around. Let's start by painting a picture. Imagine a massive digital library where anyone can walk in, grab a book, add their notes, and even write their own chapters. That's essentially what open source is all about. It's about community, collaboration, and sharing ideas to create something bigger than any one individual could achieve. So, what exactly is open source? Well, it refers to software that comes with a license that allows anyone to view, modify, and distribute the code. Think of it as an open invitation to be part of a global team working towards a common goal. This model has led to the creation of some of the most influential software today, like Linux, and even browsers like Firefox. But it's not just about the code. One of the fascinating aspects of open source is the community that surrounds it. Many developers participate not just to enhance their skills, but also to be part of something significant. There's a sense of ownership and pride in contributing to a project that can have real-world impact. Imagine the thrill of seeing your contribution in a product used by millions of users. Now, let's talk about vulnerabilities, a crucial topic in this discussion. Open source doesn't just mean freedom, it also comes with its own set of challenges. Because anyone can access and modify the code, vulnerabilities can be identified by malicious actors as easily as by well-meaning contributors. This might sound alarming, but it's counterbalanced by the sheer number of eyes on the code. More reviewers can lead to quicker identification and fixing of issues, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. But here's where we get to an interesting point: security in open source. It's like a double-edged sword. You've got many people actively improving security, but you also need to maintain a high standard of oversight to manage these changes. So, how can open source communities mitigate these risks? Well, many developers are now adopting best practices from the security domain, like code reviews and audits, to build up security without stifling innovation. I'm curious, have you ever contributed to an open source project? What was that experience like for you? Did you find the collaborative process invigorating, or was it daunting? And just think about the future of open source. With the advent of AI and machine learning, there's a real potential for transforming how we collaborate. Imagine AI tools that help suggest improvements or automatically fix bugs. It's both exciting and a bit scary, right? As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on some key insights. Open source is not just about code. It's about community, collaboration, and continuous learning. While it has unique challenges, especially around security, the benefits far outweigh the risks with proper management. As we continue to innovate and share knowledge, the open source movement will undoubtedly shape the future of technology. Thanks for joining me today. I would love to hear your thoughts on open source. What excites you the most about it? Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay curious and keep contributing.